So here we are on our way to Galina. So the idea is to give the truck a bit of a run and get the boys used to being in the truck on a regular basis. And as we all know, guys who own these trucks, they don't like sitting around on the driveway for too long. They start creating issues of their own. And if you look in the video, I'm sort of cocking my head one way or the other, trying to work out if there's any unusual sounds, because she's been sat for quite some time. And it's a good way to make sure everything's all right before we set off on a couple of 100k journey. And even though my face looks really serious here, it's not meant to be. I'm just listening out for anything that might sound weird. And I think at some point I'm just looking for sounds, and I think I can hear something, but it's probably just quite normal and nothing unusual. It's just that I haven't been in the truck for a while. But anyway, here we are, leaving my hometown on our way to the Galena Bridge. So we're just getting to Galena Bridge. I haven't been here. I always go driving past it, but I thought we'd spend the night here. Boys are at the back there as usual. And yeah, let's see what this looks like. So we just turned off the highway there. And now this is the approach to Galena. I think it's a 24-hour overnight stop. No fires between 15th of September and 16th of April. It's supposed to be relatively pleasant, dog friendly, which is most important. Supposed to have drop toilets, and I think that's about it. Not sure yet. Soon find out.
We hit the road at dawn, dust on the dash like gold, map folded on your knee, looking for a place to hold. Paper box
south side looks nicer.
Watching us roll by. Tell
looks like we're going back to the highway.
That fire by the creek, the way we laughed at nothing and fell asleep mid-speed. Find me that campsite out in the bush tonight. Find me that campsite where the old stars bite. We were young out there, and it still feels right. Find me that campsite out in the bush tonight.
So we've got the old biryani going there. Probably needs to be backed off a bit more, down to 1. The boys chilling out. And guess where we are today? We're at Galena Bridge, which I'm assuming it's because there was some lead mining around here. That's why they called it Galena. Anyways, I've gone past this I don't know how many times since I've lived in Australia. Going back and forth to Coral Bay, Carnarvon, Exmouth, all those sort of places from Charlton. And I've never stopped here. And you can stop either on the north side or the south side. I'm on the south side. It's a lot more space. Although I had a look at the north side, it's actually quite nice. If you've got a smaller, I could have parked there, but I would have been closer to someone that I'd rather be. And I'm not one of these who likes to encroach on people's space, especially when you've got a rig this size. And here we are, parked up. You can see how far it goes over there. There's a couple of people parked there. That's about the limit where that red car is. And you drive through here all the way around. The wind's right in my face now, and there's the road that comes off the main highway. You can still hear some traffic going past, but look at this. We've had I've forgotten the name of the cyclone now, the recent one. What was it called? Oh god, I can't remember now. Anyway, it dumped a load of rain inland, and here is actually full, and it's quite bright, so it's flowing. I would like a little paddle in it, but it's so muddy because it obviously was a lot higher and it's ebbed away, leaving the banks really thick with mud. And I don't really want to be cleaning dogs because this is just a weekend away, nothing spectacular. And yeah, this is where we're at. So we're on our platform. There's a couple of people over there. The boys are resting inside. I'm with my beer, or I will be in a second.
Boots by the fire, can in my head, pine pitch on my fingers, dirt in the can, blue smoke in the rafters, moon on the lake. I lean back easy.
Do you know what? This is the best time for me, I think. Once everything's set up, the dogs have had their walks. I've fed myself, or even waiting to feed myself. It's that first beer. Sitting on that platform, just staring into nature. It's absolutely wonderful. I don't think I'll ever get enough of it. It's just that wonderful, relaxing, contemplative type feeling that you get drinking a decent beer, just chillaxing in peace and quiet in nature. It's just magic, isn't it? Absolutely magic.
No rush, no reason, just this open sky and the sweet old ache of a goodbye. Pass me one more beer, let the woods hold me. Pass me one more beer, let it all unfold me. Old song softly, pass me one more beer, I'm right where I should be. If time gets heavy, I set it down on a log by the ashes. I won't turn around. The night keeps breathing slow through the trees, and I let it find me, let it carry me. lights glow. 2 dogs by my boots below. Steam curls from the paper cup. Red dirt waking us up. The gums stand quiet and tall. Blue sky leaning on it all. I watch your tail wag slow, like you know this place by heart. And I feel it pull me back to the life we almost had. Golden light on your fur. Everything else falls away. Hold me in the hills, hold me where it's still paper cup dawn, and the whole world breathes. Hold me in the hills, let the old hurt sleep. Paper cup dawn, you, me, and the creek. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Your nose in the wild grass, chasing shadows that move fast. I laugh like I did before the years had hands on me. There's a map in the dust, every track that led us here. And I'm lighter than I was with your paws beside my fears. And I feel it pull me back to the life we almost had. Golden light on your fur. Everything else falls away. Hold me in the hills, hold me where it's still paper cup dawn, and the whole world breathes. Hold me in the hills, let the old hurt sleep. Paper cup dawn, you, me, and the creek. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. If time takes this away, let it leave the shape of your head on my knee and the hush of morning trees. I don't need much more than this open sky, your soft, steady breath, and the years passing by. Hold me in the hills, hold me where it's still paper cup dawn, and the whole world breathes. Hold me in the hills, let the old hurt sleep. Paper cup dawn, you, me, and the creek. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn. Paper cup dawn, paper cup dawn.
Well, that about wraps it up. Unfortunately, I did have a lot more footage, but I think I had a faulty SIM card, which did not help. I had a heap of drone footage and some of walking the dogs around the campsite and a lot of talking about the campsite, but all of that was so unwatchable, I decided to take it out. And throughout the whole video there's a bit of stammering with the video and glitchy sounds. Yeah, I didn't realize till afterwards. But anyway, that's your lot. Just a quick trip for one night at Galena Bridge, somewhere I've always fancied going just to see what it was like. It always looked good from the road, but I never actually got a chance to actually stay the night there. Also, I found out that you can actually stay the night on the other side, so on the western side of the road. There's a north and south side, and apparently that's even more interesting. So at some point maybe I'll go through there, and if it's worthy, I'll take some footage of that and let you know. But that's it for now. Until next time, see you later, bye.